AI has its own secret language. Let us crack 15 of the scariest words fast so none of them ever trip you up again. 3 minutes, 15 terms. Plain English, you can explain to a friend tonight. 1. AI, software that learns from examples instead of following fixed rules. 2. Machine learning, the way it learns by spotting patterns in data. 3. Model, the trained brain that holds those patterns. 4. Training, the study phase, where the model learns. 5. Prompt, the instruction you type in. 6. Token, a small chunk of text the AI reads, roughly part of a word. 7. Context window, how much it can keep in mind at once. It is short-term memory. 8. LLM, a large language model trained on huge amounts of text to write like a human. 9. Generative AI, AI that creates new things, not just sorts old ones. 10. Hallucination, when AI states something wrong with total confidence. 11. Fine-tuning, taking a trained model and teaching it a special skill. 12. Parameters, the millions of tiny dials inside a model. More dials, more capacity. 13. Multimodal, AI that handles more than text, like images and audio too. 14. AI agent, AI that takes steps and does tasks, not just answers. 15. AGI, a still imaginary AI as flexible as a human mind. And that is the whole starter pack. Notice how many connect. A prompt is made of tokens. Tokens fill the context window. The model was shaped by training. Once you see the links, the jargon stops being scary. Here is one quick example to lock it in. You type a prompt. It gets broken into tokens. Those tokens sit in the context window while the model, shaped by training, predicts a reply. If it makes something up, that is a hallucination and you fact check it. 5 of the 15 working together in a single sentence. And do not worry about memorizing them all today. You will hear these words again and again across this series, and each time they will feel a little more familiar. The goal was not to cram, it was to take the fear out of the words. So, in short, 15 words, one simple map. Models learn patterns from data, you talk to them with prompts, and the rest is just detail. Next up, we meet the star of this whole series, Claude. If this glossary helped, subscribe. We are making all of AI this simple.